Hello, I'm back again with word of the day. So let's find out what word it is. I'm a noun. I'm a driven force that brings in any situation. Can you guess this word? Great. And the word is catalyst. Okay, so catalyst is a noun, which means a substance that makes a chemical reaction happen faster without being changed itself. If we talk about catalyst in chemistry, for example, chlorine will act as a catalyst. Definition number 2. Catalyst for something means a person or thing that causes a change. For example, I see my role as being a catalyst for change. Let's look at the example sentence. And the plural form of catalyst is catalysts. Let's look at the sentence. So let's look at the sentence. The new amusement park in the city was the catalyst for growth in tourism. So, do you think was that amusement park a great drive for change? Great, yes, it was. Okay, so another example. The new teacher's friendly attitude, the catalyst for making learning a fun experience for students. So, have you ever been a catalyst? What did you do to be one? Think about it. Have you ever been the cause of change? Yeah, great. Okay, so the synonym and antonym of catalyst, do you have them in mind? Good. And synonym of catalyst is impetus. The antonym, hindrance. Good. So now let's look at the pronunciation. Remember, it's very important to learn spelling and practice pronunciation of the word. Now listen and repeat.
Catalyst,
Catalyst. Once again,
catalyst,
one last time.
catalyst.
Fantastic, you've learned a new word. See you again.